Good morning, fam. Another day, another vlog. So in this video, we are checking out the castle up there. I don't know if you can see it. It's somewhere up there. It's called the, I'm sure I'm going to say it incorrectly, Neuschwanstein or something like that. I'm going to put the name down here. So yeah, we're currently hiking up, and then we're going to take the bus to go up there. And then another 10 minutes hike after that. Let's go. And that's the castle that we're going to up there. By the way, that's the name of the castle. Neuschwanstein. Sorry, I know I didn't pronounce that correctly. Which castle are you excited to see? That one or over there?
The one over there, or it's over there on the bus.
Yeah.
I'm actually really excited to see both, but I'm most excited to see the other one because we can go inside. We're not going to go inside that one.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Alright, we're walking to the castle now. My god, I'm so tired already. This is quite an exercise. We made it to our tour time. Our tour time was supposed to be at 9:55. It's actually 10:05 now, but they still let us in. Look at the amount of tourists here. Since we were late, they actually didn't let us in. So they rescheduled our time to 10:20. So we have one more minute, and this is the queue. Okay, they're letting us in now.
No photos.
Okay. So unfortunately I couldn't take a video there. They didn't allow filming in there. So yeah, we just finished the tour. This is the crowd. And then we're gonna go check out the bridge later after here. We're back down here now where we started. So we're gonna walk back down to our car. We're gonna have lunch. It's currently around 12:05 right now. We were up there for about an hour and 45. So yeah. So this is one of the fountains that you can actually drink.
Is this the bus?
That's the castle over there, all the way up there. And we drove about 5 minutes to get to this place. It's a really pretty church. We're about to have lunch. We're at this little town called Füssen. So nice. I love this little old town. This little town right here, it's so nice, very quaint. The people are so chill. Also, one thing I really like about the European, they just like to sit outside, have a meal, have a drink, and also just hang out with their friends or family. It's so cool. I love it. This is where we're having lunch. It's called Da Vinci Pizza. So we just finished lunch. We had a lunch there at the Da Vinci Italian restaurant. And we're now getting gelato.
Yes.
Sophia,
Yes.
What'd you get?
Mint.
Did you try it yet?
No.
Try it and let me know.
Bussin'.
This is what I got. It's this one. Hazelnut something. It looks buzz. Parked our car there, and here's my stuff. We're about to check in at this hotel. Let's go. Room 247. Quick room tour, guys. This is one of those budget hotels, but it's pretty nice. It's actually spacious for a budget hotel. One king-size bed. There's an extra bed over there. My nephew was gonna sleep there, but then he decided to sleep with his family. And this is the bathroom. Pretty equipped. Let's see, what do we have here? What is this? Never seen. Whoa. I guess that's a hair dryer. I've never seen that before. Full shower, pretty big. Shampoo, whatever, body wash. Looks pretty nice. And the closet is over there. My view is kind of ugly, so I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow along because I have a lot more videos coming. We still have like a little over a week here in Europe, and I'm trying to vlog every single day. Some vlogs may be shorter than the others, but yeah. Thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm outie. Deuces.